Alright everybody, today we're going to work on this here Frigidaire fridge, which if you're squeamish at all, you can see we already kind of cleaned it. If you're squeamish, you might want to skip this video. It's pretty dirty. And Tyler finds some friends.
Gonna clean this fridge. We got a Frigidaire white fridge with auto mechanic handprints on the outside.
Alright.
And it sinks in here really bad.
What? I can't smell.
Well, it smells really bad. And look at all that fun.
I think we'll go through it, kind of clean it a little, and then we'll go through the mechanics of it. We got to deal with a big issue in the back. I keep referring to as Tyler's friend. Tyler's friend back here we got to deal with somehow. Tyler's buddy, we should probably name him something.
Alfonso.
Alfonso?
Yeah.
You want to take off the back?
No, not yet. Well, it's going to be clean back there.
I know, but I think we need to take it off to check out that coil. Plug it in. Film it working a little bit.
Okay.
Scrub it, then dry it.
Well,
You know what I usually do with the ones like this? I just take them out front and just get the hose and just hose them out. Is that wrong?
no, but I didn't know that was an option.
They kicked it? Better call someone.
Oh, you talking about that little buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, ew. Alfonso!
Alfonso! We got a little buddy for you over here.
That's messed up!
He's just sleeping.
Sleeping a big nap. Wake up, little buddy!
I expected to find a lot more of his signs in here though. I don't really see too many. A little bit up in here. Stuck in there pretty good.
Yeah.
How long has Alfonso been in there?
A minute.
I'm gonna have to post this after we sell this thing.
Yeah, I would.
Well, should we test this or no?
Get it?
Test this compressor. You just go between 2 points, and so that says 5.
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna go between 2 other points. That says 10.
10.
Or
Okay.
9. Now we're gonna go through the last 2 points. So
Yes.
there's 3 points.
9. 5.
What you want to see
is 2 of them should about add up to the 3rd one. So 15. So we
5,
have
10.
9. We had 14. So 9 and 5 equals 14.
Right.
So we know the compressor's good.
Fan in here blows.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
There's a big ass plug to unplug.
So
Don't you think so?
you can't reach because your metal's in the way.
If T-Rex was on this planet.
Okay, that says 26. That's the lowest I saw it. Yeah. Now it's blowing out of there. Alright, well, we'll finish cleaning it and put it back together and test it, and I think it'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.